Now let's see how to add a field and make this field relevant or visible when the user selects some option in the form. For example, we have here the accessibility attribute. Accessibility attribute is a code attribute that uses a category. There is a list of possible values that the user can select. Here is our category. Now suppose that we want the user to be able to specify in a text field, in a text attribute, the reason for inaccessibility where when he selects this item, the item with code 99 other reasons. To do this, we can create a new text attribute, go to the top right corner and press the plus button, select text. Here we specify cluster, we specify the name can be cluster inaccessibility other reason. In the label, we can keep the label inaccessibility reason. For example, we can write something like this in the label. Then let's go to the advanced section. In advanced section, you have to go to the relevant if section, this section here. Here you can specify an expression that will make this attribute relevant or not relevant if some condition is verified. The condition in our case will be that the accessibility field will be equal to the item with code 99 that was other reasons. So let's see how to do it is. Click on this button to edit the expression. Here you have an expression builder, very simple one in this case. We have to select a variable because we want to be able to select a variable to evaluate. In this case is cluster accessibility. Then specify the operator. We want the cluster accessibility to be equal to a certain value. Now you can select if you want to compare this cluster accessibility to a constant value or to a variable or also a function, but we will see later how to do something more complex. We want to compare the cluster accessibility to the value of this inaccessible for other reasons. This will be the final expression, internal expression that will be used by Arena. It's in JavaScript. But with this function, with this expression builder, it will be quite simple to define expressions like this. Then press the apply button. So what we have done is to make this cluster inaccessibility other reason field relevant when cluster accessibility, the selected cluster accessibility is equal to that value. If you want, you can also check this hidden when not relevant. So the field will be completely hidden from the user interface when this expression is not verified. Save and go back. This is the field that we have created. You can drag it and move it close to the accessibility field, so it will appear close to it when the condition is verified. Now let's try to see in the preview if it works correctly. Now if you select something that is not the one that we specified in the expression, nothing will happen. But if you select this one, the field where the user can specify the inaccessibility reason will appear. Close the preview.